Have you ever wondered if there's a natural way to boost your size, stamina, and overall performance? What if I told you that two simple, everyday foods could hold the key to unlocking your true potential? In today's video, we're diving deep into two incredible natural power boosters, beetroot and lemon. I'll show you how combining these can completely transform your energy, confidence, and physical performance. So, let's talk about beetroot first. This vibrant root vegetable is an absolute powerhouse. It's packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide is a big deal. It acts as a vasodilator, which means it relaxes and widens your blood vessels. Why is that important? Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered directly to your muscles when you need them most. This is the secret to enhancing your endurance and stamina, whether you're at the gym or in more personal moments. Think of it as a natural performance fuel that helps you go the distance. Now, let's pair that with the zesty power of lemon. Lemons are famous for being rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, but their benefits go way beyond just fighting off a cold. Lemon is a fantastic detoxifier. It helps cleanse your liver and flush out toxins from your body. A cleaner system functions more efficiently, which naturally leads to higher energy levels. But here's where it gets really interesting for men's health. Some studies suggest that the compounds in lemon can help support healthy testosterone levels. Healthy testosterone is crucial for energy, drive, and overall vitality. So, lemon isn't just a garnish. It's a key player in optimizing your body's natural functions. So, what happens when you bring these two powerhouses together? You create a synergistic blend that can take your performance to a whole new level. The improved blood flow from the beetroot, combined with the detoxifying and hormone-supporting properties of lemon, works together to tackle performance issues from multiple angles. This combination can help you increase stamina, improve your timing and control, and support stronger, more reliable physical performance. And the best part, you're doing this all naturally, without worrying about the side effects that can come with chemical supplements. It's about working with your body, not against it. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but does it actually work? Well, the feedback has been amazing. Many men who have consistently incorporated this beetroot and lemon mix into their routine have reported noticeable changes within just a few weeks. They talk about feeling a significant boost in their daily energy, more endurance during their workouts, and yes, visible improvements in performance measures and even size, thanks to that enhanced blood flow. It's not just about one specific area. It's about a total upgrade in vitality. This natural combination also supports heart health and overall well-being, which is a fantastic bonus. It's a holistic approach to feeling your best. If you're tired of empty promises from synthetic supplements and want a solution that comes straight from nature, you're in the right place. This isn't some complicated, expensive biohack. It's simple, accessible, and effective. So, are you ready to learn how to prepare and use beetroot and lemon correctly to unlock these incredible benefits? Stick with me, because in just a moment, I am going to walk you through the exact method to prepare this powerful drink for maximum results. I'll share the right proportions, the best time to take it, and a few extra tips to ensure you get the most out of it. You won't want to miss this. Alright, let's get into the practical part. Here's how you can make this performance-boosting drink. You'll need one medium-sized beetroot and half a lemon. First, wash the beetroot thoroughly, peel it, and chop it into small pieces. You don't need to cook it. We want all those raw nutrients. Put the chopped beetroot into a blender with about a cup of water and blend until it's a smooth liquid. Then, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth to get pure beetroot juice. Finally, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into your beetroot juice and stir well. For the best results, drink this on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning or about 30 minutes before a workout. This simple routine, done consistently, can make all the difference. Trust me, this simple, natural combination might just be the game changer you've been looking for. It's time to harness the power of nature and feel the incredible difference it can make in your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and are excited to try this out, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Do want to get to ring the notification bell so you do want to miss out on more tips to help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. I'll see you in the next video.